First, physically connect the X1 box to your TV using an HDMI cable. Plug it into a power outlet and connect a coaxial cable for the Xfinity signal. Ethernet is an alternative for a stronger signal. The box should power on automatically. If not, press the power button on the remote. Make sure all connections are secure to prevent signal issues. Once powered on, follow the on-screen prompts to begin the activation process. Pair your X1 remote like the XR15 by holding the A and D buttons until the LED blinks. Follow on-screen instructions or use the Xfinity app for pairing. This enables voice control. Link the box to your Xfinity account using the Xfinity My Account app or website by scanning the QR code on the screen or manually entering your credentials. This activates DVR and personalized recommendations. Check your signal strength by pressing the Xfinity button on your remote, navigating to Settings, General, Signal Test. A green status means you're good to go. Red indicates a weak signal or outage, which you can troubleshoot via the app or support chat. Using Ethernet over Wi-Fi can often resolve signal issues, especially in crowded Wi-Fi environments.